That's right. The president is watching this market fallout to the China trade news that you guys have all been talking about throughout the morning. Just a short time ago, he left the White House, and when he was on the South Lawn about to board Marine One, I asked him if he's monitoring the stock market fallout here. Here's what he said.
The market reaction is to be expected. I might have expected even more. At some point, as I just said, we have to take on China. China is losing so many. They're losing thousands and thousands of companies are leaving China now because of the tariffs. And we're in a very good position as to whether or not a deal will be made. I will tell you this, China would like to make a deal very badly.
So the president there saying he expected this market reaction that we're seeing here, and also he might have expected a little bit more of a reaction than what we have seen so far this week. So that indicates the president politically here might be willing to absorb a little bit more stock market pain as he tries to achieve that goal. He says, look, we had to take on China here. Somebody had to do it. He has in the past blamed previous presidents for not addressing the China trade imbalance. And ultimately, he says he's confident that China really wants to make a deal here. This is a president who feels he still has the upper hand despite a lot of this market reaction that we're seeing through the week today, guys.
Yeah, you know, Eamon, we should point out the S&P is well off its lows, down about 0.9% right now. But that has been always the question, I guess. How much pain is the president willing to take? Will there be a tweet that in some way is a reaction to the market downdraft that turns things around? Because I guess it has been generally believed that he wants, given his previous enormity of tweets on the market itself, to see it go higher.
Yeah, and look, I think that's wrong. I mean, I think that there are a lot of people who assume that. You're right. But I don't think they're paying close enough attention to this president. The president just said to me the market reaction was expected. That is, he expected to see what we're seeing now. And, in fact, he thinks it could have been even more. That, to me, indicates that he was prepared to absorb even more market pain than what we're seeing in order to get this goal done. This is a fundamentally important goal to this president. He's willing to see a lot of action on Wall Street before he is willing to back off on this. I mean, it just doesn't seem like he's in a position here politically or economically to back away from what he's trying to do.
Do you know what yield curve is at too wide a margin means? Because the yield curve's the flattest it's been since the financial crisis, and actually many parts of it have inverted in the most bearish way, signaling recession.
I'd love to know what Larry Kudlow briefed him on just before that tweet, and then you might have a sense of what the sort of economic thinking inside the White House is.